Here's how to draw Nibbler from Garten of BanBan. Start out with the lips. Just continue the shape going down. And it hooks into the top. Then we'll come up here and we'll draw the shape above it. It just follows the same shape. Then we'll draw a big diagonal tooth and one on this side. Then come to the bottom and we'll draw two big teeth. Then draw a smaller tooth on the sides. Then at the top we'll draw smaller teeth on the sides. And then a small tooth on each side in the middle. And we'll draw a hook over the top and a curve over the bottom. We'll draw a line that comes out. And we'll draw circles for the eyes. And draw a curve for the eyelid. Then draw a wavy curve over the top. And we'll draw the pupil, goes under that wavy curve. And then the rest of the eye. Now we'll draw a little curvy line for the shoulders. And then bring the line down, and that curves thicker at the bottom. And come over here, and we're going to draw line that curves and gets thicker at the bottom. Then connect it. We'll draw a line that comes in for the chest and stops about here. And draw a more square type shape here. And another one that's smaller. Now come behind the shoulders and we're going to add these little suction cups. And then we're going to add 3 on the side of the arm. And then come inside the arm and we're going to add 2. Then at the bottom of the feet we're going to add half an oval. And draw a smaller one inside. On this side of the leg we're going to draw a vertical oval facing us. A smaller one inside. I'm going to draw 3 horizontal ovals going up the arm. You can imagine these suction cups being lined up with the cups on the outside of the arm. That's how you draw Nibbler from Garten of BanBan. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.